Hi guys! Welcome back my YouTube channel. Ayan, nakikita nyo tatapos lang ng lola mo na mag-exercise and basta pawis ako. And maglinis ng bahay. So ngayon, habang nagpapahinga, nakikinig tayo ng music. Ayan guys. So, I'm my day. So ngayon, nakikita nyo po is naka-ready na ang aking tubig para sa aking organic GC barley. Ayan, iinom tayo. So, daily to guys. So, marami pa po tayo dito guys. And, continuous lang natin. I drink this one every morning and night time before bedtime. So, kailangan ko po talaga ito. No, nag-start na ako uminom nito. Grabe yung pawis ko, nawala yung paninikip ng dibdib ko, at nawala yung hingal ko sa aking dibdib guys. So ayan, before eating and after the eating, it's up to you guys, basta at least uminom kayo ng GC organic barley for your good health, no? So kasi ito antioxidant and also para sa heart disease at sa mga blood sugar, ayan. So talagang kailangan ko to. No, nag-start ako uminom, nawala yung nilalabas sa pawis ko yung aking mga toxicity sa katawan. Ayan guys, so medyo nakakatulog na rin ako. Sa mga may mga insomnia, ayan, makakatulog po kayo. Kailangan nyo to. Nakagaya kung may insomnia, may anemia, may sakit sa dugo. So this is a very best for our health guys, for our daily activities. GC organic barley juice. Ayan, soon ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung coffee because I'm too much coffee lover, and very soon mag-open tayo ng coffee shop, no? At ito idadagdag ko to sa aking additional menu, ang coffee barley. Ayan, different coffee barley. So ito na yung gagamitin ko lifetime because this is my lifetime business, no? As a users ng GC organic barley guys. Ayan, so kahit na hindi ko ini-endorse to, but talagang ini-endorse ko, pinopromote ko po talaga kasi this is nakakatulong to all OFW kababayan natin na mga distributor, na I help them, no, to promote also, to endorse this one kasi dito na po ako nagka-apo, dito na lumaki ang aking mga anak as a GC organic barley. So I use this one. The benefits is for our health, and also this is the very good business, lifetime business, even very small the capital, but you can earn. They have 5 ways how to earn. That's why I will invite you in the office headquarters in Al Sadd guys, here in Doha, Qatar. Ayan. So kung nakikita niyo, I'm too much tired, and also I look stress and tension kasi I cannot sleep, in sobrang tired ko sa aking exercise. Ayan. So andito tayo to prepare this one guys. So it's very simple guys. Kailangan lang natin itong inumin. Kukuha lang tayo, and at the same time nagluluto ako ng lunch. Ayan. So nagpiprito po ako ng tilapia. I have a 2 piece of tilapia. Ayan guys. So yan yung tilapia guys. And sakto na po yan. At mamaya igigisa po natin, isusote po natin yan. So I came here to get the spoon and scissors kasi inom muna tayo ng ating juice kasi kanina pa po ako nauuhaw. Ayan guys, kanina po ako gusto kong uminom. Ayan, actually cold water to. Ngayon lang ako uminom ng cold water guys. Kasi talagang sobrang uhaw na po talaga ako. Yan. Organic GC barley. In 1 box, 110 reals. And they have a 10 sachet po. Ayan guys. So, kailangan na natin uminom. And I advise also sa mga may diferensya sa ovary, yung mga hindi magkaanak. Actually, mayroon na ako kaibigan na nirefer nito na nagkaanak. 15 years siyang hindi nakaanak, yung iba 20 years nagkaanak. And yung may mga kidney stone, ayan, yung may mga sakit na what do you call this, yung mga prostate cancer, ayan, pwede nyo po itong inumin guys. And also the keypads. Soon I buy the keypads, guys. The GC keypads. Worth proven ko na yun kasi dinimo ko yung one time in my presentation in GC here in Duha, no? Nag house to house tayo. Presentation ako sa mga villa, sa mga nurses, sa mga teachers. Okay, guys. So, talaga sa mga kadama, ayan, sa mga OFW na mga kadama na gusto nilang mag-business, guys. So, ayan. So, ganito lang, guys. Actually, this one is 300 ml, no? As per of the instruction dito, dapat 300 ml ang water, no? Pour of water. Ayan. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ayan, guys. So, nasa 300. Ayan. Depende po na lang po sa inyo. Pero para sa akin, para sa side ko po, gusto kong i-experiment to. I-check ko mamaya. Kasi paubos na yung chocolate ice cream ko. Instead na chocolate or any flavor, I will try the barley ice cream. Let's see kung ano ang magiging lasa. Ang nagustuhan ko po dito sa organic GC barley, hindi siya amoy lupa o amoy putik o amoy talagang grass na grass po talaga. This is from New Zealand, guys, within 30 years, no? 30 years na tong na to. Ang grabe, as in, at nabasa ko na rin to sa Bible na itong grass na to is gamot sa mga may sakit talaga. So, proven ko na po to. Within 15 years, I use this one, guys. No? So, ito rin is pinapainom ko sa aking mga anak. Mayroon din po tayong pang kids, no? Sa mga pang choco barley, at coffee barley, at may mga ito, pwede po to sa kids, guys. Ayan, let's drink, guys. More power barley, ayan. So, na natin, inumin na po natin. Huwag kayong mag-add ng sugar kasi sakto lang po yung kanyang lasa. Ayan, pero talagang gagawin ko tong chocolate, magiging flavor. Idadagdag ko to ng flavor ng aking ice cream. So, sarili ko lang na what do you call this? On my own ingredients, no? So, nasa sa atin yun. Nasa sa atin, sa side ko po, is yun ang gagawin ko. Kasi, I love coffee. I love ice cream. Tapos, ilalagay ko sa coffee. Ganun ang ugali ko. So, ang weird, di ba? Kaya na weird, masarap. I-try nyo, coffee ice cream, no? So, mas masarap yon. Ngayon ito, gagawin ko, kasi mahilig ako sa ice cream, ihalo ko siya sa ice cream. Let's see. Even the coffee, I make the cold coffee barley, no? Pwede natin gawin siyang ice cream, guys. Ayan. I'm very simple, no? Simple lang ako. They have a lot of messages with me and comments na bakit daw hindi ako nag-aayos na humaharap sa camera. I'm very simple woman. I'm stay at homes. So, kailangan po nating be yourself and make it simple, be humble, no, guys? Lagi kong sinasabi yan sa inyo. So, ito na yung personality ko. Nag-aayos lamang po ako pag lumalabas po ako. Yun lang. At pag may occasion, pag may events, ayan, if they are inviting me, the events, no? So, kailangan kong mag-ayos din talaga. Kahit nasabihin yung, I'm the businesswoman, blah, 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 pero hindi nag-aayos, yung suot niya paulit-ulit, it's gonna fine, guys. Wala yan sa personality. Andi dito sa puso at isip natin kung anong nakakabuti sa atin, guys. Ayan. So, sooner sasagutin ko lahat ng mga tanong nyo. So, ihinom na natin ng barley juice, organic cheesy barley juice, worth 110 lang in one box. But I advise you guys, you can buy this one package is worth 1498. If you want to choose the health product or beauty product, health product included this barley or GC organic barley, and they have also the wholesaler, no? They have a whole one time. This is the one time, not membership, one time lifetime business. Automatic, you have a good business once you avail the package, one package of GC barley or GC product. Okay guys, GC only one package is 1498. If you can sell all the products inside the bag of package guys, I show you soon if I go in the GC Premier headquarters office, no, is if you can sell that one inside, all that products is worth 3,000. It depends of you, 3,000 plus, no, more than that. So you have a small business lifetime, you have a product, and also you have a more how to handle this business. You have a 5 ways to earn, no. So I discuss with you once we can meet in the Alsad head office, and this is a free presentation. You can watch there every day except Wednesday, and you can go in the Alsad headquarters. They have a free presentation, no membership, no what do you call this, hindi kayo pwedeng, no fee for the signing of ano ba tawag, the form, no, it's free lahat yan. Okay, free presentation, free tayong makinig. We have a free office, no, free na yung office. No need to rent, no need to hire the staff, no, is you have a own office, everything you have. Only what can I do? You invite all your friends, you can sell the product, only that. If you invite your friends and humor, you get more to earn the profit, the profit of this business. Very small business, presentable but luxury, and you can get a good life, no. See, I am a solo mother, 5 kids. I'm a user of GC Organic Barley guys, and of course na-sustain ko ang needs ng aking mga anak nung nandito pa sila sa Doha, Qatar. Ayan, dito na rin po sila lumaki. So if wala akong business ng GC Premier, is I cannot sustain this one. Even I'm the engineer or business one, I cannot sustain if I don't have alternative business. This is the best business with me, and lahat ng network na nasalihan ko. Okay guys, so as an entrepreneur, this one is GC Organic Barley of GC Premier Business International. So international branches na to. Before, I'm traveler, no, because of this company of GC Premier Business International guys. Okay, so nagpahinga lang po ako, I'm back. So ayan guys, inumin na po natin to, at let's see ang kahihinatnan guys. Talagang nilalabas niya lahat. At soon, namimiss ko na ang aking kaseksihan. Before, I'm sexy kasi ito, ginagamit ko po talaga, capsule and this one. Soon, I buy the capsule for my medicine, and very soon, I show you. Okay guys, kung ano ang benefits, kung ano magiging feedback, kung pumayat na ba ako, or nag-lose na yung weight ko, yung ganun guys. Okay? So, let's drink guys. Congratulations in advance if you can join this simple business. Okay guys? This is international business. And this is your own lifetime, only one time, 1498 guys. Really, believe me guys. This is a proven na tong ano na to. I think I have how many people in my group, no? Kasi all my kids, no, they have accounts, they have their own business of GC Premier also. Hope you understand. This time is just for me, because it's my turn with no apology. Yan. Sobrang sarap guys, sobrang sarap. Ayan, sa susunod, I will buy the coffee barley and barley capsule for our parang vitamins ko yun yung barley capsule guys. Ayan, kasi I'm undergo for the therapy with my bones, with my blood, and with my anemia, no? Anemia is my blood, no? So insomnia, of course hindi kasi ako makatulog pag may anemia. So this one, they help me, no? I stop all my medicines for my pain reliever, I don't want to use kasi mayroon na po tong GC Organic Barley and GC Capsule. Ayan, soon I go in the GC Premier headquarters. I will check them and all the distributor. Okay, I will meet them and then let's see if the barley organic capsule is it there or they have a coffee. Okay guys, so thank you for very much guys. Hanggang dito na lamang. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for your support and ko-continuous ko na po ang aking pagluluto for my lunch. Ayan. Start na po tayong mag-work. Thank you for watching guys. Okay, GC Organic Barley. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and please like and share and comments down below and bell the notification bell. And please, thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, Heidi Galsote. And I love you guys and God bless us po. Laging always God bless guys. And don't forget our God to say thank you every day to Him. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.